Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Is a real estate consultant and specialist based here in Enugu State, Nigeria. Okay, in this video, I want to be talking about how to start up your real estate investment. Let's say you're new to the real estate industry. How do you queue into the real estate industry? Investing wisely. What are things to look out for? Right now, with as low as 500,000, 800,000, 1 million naira, you can start up a profitable real estate investment in Nigeria. Now let's dive into the video. Before starting up your real estate investments, the number one thing you should look out for is a genuine realtor, right? It's very important that you involve a genuine realtor in your real estate investment journey, because a genuine realtor does not only find a property for you, a genuine realtor also helps you and guide you through the processes involved in your property purchase. An experienced genuine realtor helps you walk you through every processes needed, both in the verification of your land and every other detailed process you need to know. Okay, a genuine realtor also helps you in getting property in a very good location, right? This is why it's important to involve a genuine realtor in your real estate investment journey. Number two step we have on our list is budget. It's important that you set out your real estate budget plan. Okay, you wouldn't want to invest all your hard-earned money into real estate and allow every other area of your life to suffer. No, you should have a particular budget you're working with. This will also help the realtor in navigating the market, in getting a property that will be suitable for your budget. You have to have a specific planned budget for a real estate journey. Then number three on our list is distress sales. Distress sales are sales that are being brought to the market. They are usually sold below the market value. Let's say the owner is in a haste or wants to use the money to do one or two things for urgent reasons. They bring out their property to the market for sale. What advantage do you have with distress sales? You get this property at a discounted rate, at a lower rate to what the property is actually worth on a normal price, on a normal ground. All right, so that is why it is good to look closely to a distress sales. Look out for a distress sale. It is very, very important as a smart investor. Number three things to look out on our list is pre-launch sales. Now, pre-launch sales are usually done by real estate companies. Okay, before a particular estate is being launched, a pre-launch sales is being done on that particular property, right? Here you stand the chance of getting that property at a lower price to compare what this property will be actually sold for when it's launched. That is why, as a smart investor, a newbie, you should look out for pre-launch sales. I mean, they are a very good way of queuing into real estate investments in a good time, right? So another thing to look out for is discount sales. Black Friday discount sales, promo discount sales. There are some real estate companies that are doing Valentine discount rates on their property. I mean, instead of buying it the actual price the property is worth, you actually buy it at a discount rate, thereby saving your money. All right. These are various ways you can queue into real estate investments or start up your real estate investments in Nigeria. And all of these things falls back to working with a genuine realtor. All right, genuine realtor will help you work with your budget you are giving him or her in getting a good property in a good location for you. A genuine realtor will help you in showing you those distress sales, because they are actually the ones in the market to see those distress sales. All right, more than you do. Realtor will help with all of these process. All right. Now, my name is Deborah Nwankwo, a Southeast-based real estate consultant and a realtor based here in the southeast of Nigeria, Enugu State. I help Nigerians in diaspora in their seamless, profitable property purchase process. Do let me know if you got value from this video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to attend to them. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to be notified on when valuable content as this hits the channel. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.